Hi everybody, welcome back to the Bolt Hole Biker. You might remember in a video I did recently when I fitted my tail tidy, I posed a question. Would a rear hugger look shit on a KTM Duke 790? Well, I decided to answer that question, so I've bought a rear hugger. So this video is about answering two questions now. First one is, does it look shit? I don't mind it. I think it looks alright. If it works, then it looks alright. Second question is, does it work? That's what I'm just about to find out. I've devised a little experiment to discover that. So stick with me and we'll see if it works. I've enlisted the help of my wife for this. First part of the test is with the hugger on. I may get wet here. Well, hopefully not with the hugger on. So I think that worked pretty well actually, but part two of the test, let's see how badly sprayed I get without the hugger on. Okay, part two, no hugger. Fire away! Okay, I think that's fairly conclusive evidence. You enjoyed doing that, didn't you?
Yeah.
So there you have it. Conclusive scientific evidence that a rear hugger does stop you from getting splashed, but asking your wife to spray you with a hose doesn't stop you getting splashed. Look at me! Absolutely soaking. Oh dear. I love that woman. Thanks for watching my little video. See you in the next one. Bye.